To do now, I'm all about it. I'm all about it. Jukebox in the corner, taking me for a ride. Into the motion, we're exploding out of trouble inside. You wanna roll with me? We're gonna feel the beat. Show 'em how to do that thing. You know what to do now. Tonight the stars are out, so let's paint the town. I'm running when I hit the ground. That's what I'm all about. I'm all about it. I'm all about it. I'm all about it. Into the city, I feel lighter than smoke. Above the traffic, everybody better look out below. I got somewhere to be, time got away from me. Too busy feeling free, it's all I can do now. Tonight the stars are out, so let's paint the town. I'm running when I hit the ground, that's what I'm all about. I'm all about it. I'm all about it. I'm all about it. My heart is pumping and my hips are twisting. Oh, I wanna scream and make everyone listen. Oh, all the way to the world, all the way I prefer to be right here where I am. I'm all about it. I'm all about it. Tonight the stars are out, so let's make the town. I'm running when I hit the ground, that's what I'm all about. Tonight the stars are out, so let's make the town. I'm running when I hit the ground, that's what I'm all about. I'm all about it. I'm all about it. I'm all about it. I'm all about it.
Don't touch the ball, it's over, call it close, but we all know what this is gonna be. You came and failed the test, you met the best, expected chess, but got monopoly. I came and bought you out, I knocked you out, I cropped you out with no apologies. I am the hope, the heart, the faith, the spark, the one who will fulfill the prophecy. I just been counting, never lounging, climbing up mountains, bouncing back. Step in the ring, about you step back. They'll learn hot when I get on the track. I like it louder than most, watching all these sheep just bow down to the goat. If I can't decide, I'ma probably get both. We done celebrate, but right now I'm a toast, resurrected ghost.
Outside, outside, looking at the stars, staring with my mouth wide. I ain't letting nobody stop me this time. With every single level that I reach and I climb, they ask, are you from outside, outside? Everything around me I create with my mind. Working too hard, I don't want no downtime. Put my team on, they gon' shine when I shine. We can take this outside, outside. Looking at the stars, staring with my mouth wide.
Yeah.
I ain't letting nobody stop me this time. Every single level that I reach and I climb, they ask, are you from outside, outside? Everything around me I create with my mind. Working too hard, I don't want no downtime. Put my team on, they gon' shine and I shine.
Yeah, we can take this. Buckle up, boy, if you bad it, then double up. Remember your team when you hustle up. Don't make a move till you huddle up. I'm coming up, fuck is up. Looking for trouble, then knuckle up. I see through all of your cover-ups. You think that you gonna set me up? Good luck, break it down. Who at the top, I'ma bring him down. I will not stop till you laying down. Till I'm at the top and I'm gazing down. Shit ain't been the same since we came around. Since we became kings and became renowned. Since all of the truth started raining down. If you want that belt, better buckle down. Woo.
Outside, outside, Looking at the stars, staring with my mouth wide. I ain't letting nobody stop me this time. With every single level that I reach and I climb, they ask, are you from outside, outside? Everything around me I create with my mind. Working too hard, I don't want no downtime. Put my team on, they gon' shine when I shine.
You are just not on my level. I keep my foot on the pedal. I set the tone, I don't settle. I can put fear in the devil. You are just not on my level. I keep my foot on the pedal. I set the tone, I don't settle. We can take this outside, outside,